Hello, and welcome to this video on using All-Stars online technology. In our last video, we covered using different features of All-Stars online community, specifically scheduling your All-Star session so that you can receive tips, accessing Kathleen's Corner, and also accessing frequently asked questions and other options. In this video, we are going to go over some of the features of All-Stars technology, which allows students to do some of the activities in the All-Stars program online. This video is going to cover setting up your class and registering students to use All-Stars technology. Log in to the website onlinecommunity.tanglewood.net with your login credentials. You will see a list of your classes that you have registered. Click on the blue Technology link next to the class you want to work with. You will be routed to the Technology Preferences page. Select under number 1 whether you would like to include family life material in the opinion poll survey or commitment certificates, or whether the material should be omitted. Family life material includes questions about sexual attitudes and intentions. For the family life excluded version, questions about friendship are substituted for the questions about sexual attitudes and intentions. So this is very important. If you do not want opinion poll survey items to address sexual attitudes, please click Omit Family Life Material from the opinion poll survey. Check to see which version of the All-Stars program you're using first before selecting this option. Number 2 is privacy. This will allow you to determine whether you would like to receive inquiries about All-Stars online community or All-Stars products. Click yes if you are willing to receive inquiries. If you are not, leave the checkbox unchecked and click Save. A message will come up saying your technology preferences were successfully saved. Click Home to return to the main page. You will go to Technology Home. Select the school you want to work with. In this example, I'm working with Bailey Middle School, so I will click Select here. You will come to the class main page where you will see several options. There's Teacher Main, which takes you back to Technology Home, Manage Students, the Friendship Survey, Opinion Poll Survey, Forward to the Future, Student Crest, and Personal Commitments. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Manage so that you can manage the students for the class. Each registration code you enter for a class is good for 10 student registrations. If you have more than 10 students in the class, you will need to have other codes handy to keep registering students. These codes come with your paper materials that are shipped to you from Tanglewood Research within the box of materials. So click Add Student to add a new student to your class. Put in their first name and last name and a nickname if applicable, and click Save. You will see that under Registration Code, I now have 9 registrations remaining. It also says that I have 30 additional registrations remaining on other codes in my profile, so I have a total of 39 registrations. So if you entered more codes, they will be automatically pulled in as you register students. Once you run out of codes, you will be prompted automatically to enter another code so that you can continue registering students. I'll go through and add a couple more students for examples. Okay. When you're finished, click the Finish button, and then you will see your list of students. Each student is automatically given a username and password, which they will need in order to log on to the student All Stars Technology page to do the activities. Click on Printer-Friendly Version once you are finished registering all your students. Please make sure that pop-ups are not blocked so that you can get this page. And a PDF will come up that you can print out. I know it's turned sideways here, but when it prints out, you'll be able to cut these into slips of paper you can give each student. It has their name. I'll make this a little larger so you can see their name, their username, and their password. And this is the web address that they will go to. I'll go ahead and click that so you can see what that looks like. This is the student page that they will go to. Okay. Okay. To go back, once you're finished, that is the end of the registration process. Once you finish registering your students and click on the printer-friendly version, you will be finished registering students to your class. However, you can always go back in and add a student. Oops, sorry. Oh, it's timing out. Let me log back in. All right. So that is the process you will follow to add new students. Next thing you'll want to do to get your class ready is to activate all of the activities. If you do not activate the activities, the students will not be able to do them once they log into the student part of the website. So click on Friendship for Friendship Survey, click Activate, and then you will see that the status is active. It also lists the number of students in the class. You can see that none have completed the survey. And it also shows the status for each student. Do this for each of the activities that you plan to do online. And make sure that their activation status is a green active word next to each activity so that the students will be ready to use the activities once they log into the website. And that is it for getting your class ready for All Stars Technology. We will have other videos that cover specifically what each of these options entail in terms of how to use the Friendship Survey, Opinion Poll Survey, Forward to the Future, Crest and Personal Commitments. If you have any questions about getting your class ready or registering students, please call us at 1-800-826-4539, extension 113. Thank you.